As you can probably tell by the disaster behind me right now, today is going to be a reset day. I just came back from a ski trip, and before the ski trip I was sick for an entire week, and I've been getting lots of packages in the mail too because I've been getting ready for something. The combination of all of that created the ultimate disaster. So today we're not only going to reset my room and clean and stuff, but also I'm going to get myself feeling a little bit more put together. I'm gonna do an everything shower. I'm gonna go in the sauna. The first thing I want to do is turn on my humidifier because the air has been very dry because it is winter, and I want my skin to be nice and moisturized. I want like my throat and my nose to be not dry either. Recently got this for Christmas and I have been loving it because my skin was so dry and irritated, and as soon as I started using this, it's like fixed itself after like a day or two of just using this. So yeah, good. Let me just show you a quick before of the room because I don't think you understand how bad it is right now. We've got some open packages, some of which need to be returned. I need to make my bed as well. Hello, Fiona. She's been loving sleeping on my pillow. It's cute. This is all like my throw pillows. I had to take my suitcase out because my duffel bag was in my suitcase for the trip. I am currently drinking a Celsius to get a little more energy. We've got the candle going already, but yeah, as you can tell, it's just kind of a mess in here. So in terms of the room plan, I'm gonna make my bed, I'm gonna tidy everything up, and then I'm gonna quickly wipe all the surfaces and quickly like mop and sweep. Unpack my clothes from the trip. I already unpacked the snowboarding stuff because it was wet, but I'm gonna clean my snowboarding stuff and possibly do a load of laundry. In terms of self-care and beauty stuff on my list today, I have to do a hair mask, go in the sauna, take an everything shower, so wash my hair, shave and exfoliate, moisturize, double cleanse my skin, do a face mask, and if I have the time, to redo my nails. Alright, let's get started. Hey Google, shuffle tropical house music on Spotify.
Alright, here's a shuffle of the Spotify playlist called Tropical House.
This very often, but I just have this hair oil that's been sitting here for a while, and I figured I should probably use it. So I'm actually putting it in my scalp, which feels really nasty, but later I'm gonna really scrub my scalp, and hopefully this helps my hair grow nice and healthy. I found this little dropper from some other skincare that I used in the past, and I'm repurposing it to make it easier to apply, and so this is just gonna sit in my hair for a little while I clean.
It's going so loud. It sounds just like a party. Thoughts spin around like shadows they cast. I'm an overthinker, lost in my mind. I'm always searching for answers. I'll never find. That's in every moment, every choice I make. Caught in a cycle, can't catch a break. Wish that I could just turn on like a switch in my brain, so I can finally breathe. Thoughts spin around like shadows they cast.
The snowboard's clean, the boots are clean. They didn't even get that dirty this time because it wasn't super muddy, so that's really good. I'm just gonna spray some like shoe freshener spray on the inside so that they don't start smelling. I got new ones this year, so I want to make sure that I'm taking really good care of them. All of this has been drying, but I'm gonna throw it in the wash, I think. But I think the sauna is finally ready, so I'm gonna do that first.
Caught in a cycle, can't catch a break.
I'm gonna be hopping in the sauna now. I don't use this as much as I should. We have one in our basement, which is really cool, but I think today it'll be very necessary because my muscles are a little bit sore and also my tailbone is bruised. So I'm hoping it helps with that. And I just know that it's good for you. So this is something that I would like to do a little bit more often.
As part of my everything shower, I'm of course using shampoo and conditioner as well as this amazing hair mask. You definitely need to try it out. I'm exfoliating my skin and I love this in-shower oil. It makes my skin so much softer. Like honestly guys, it's definitely worth it. I'm also double cleansing my face because we are doing everything today. This is such a nice oil cleanser, by the way.
You've been hurting. This spiral. Take my hand and listen. Maybe one day you'll cross paths and you both got new perfumes. And the life you used to live is left within that old heart.
Alright guys, well I'm all clean. I feel so much better. I still need to moisturize. I just realized, but I've already put on all my clothes, so maybe I'll just do that like later in the night. Little healthy meal so that I could feel better on the inside. Now it's time to continue working on all of this mess. So honestly, my tailbone hurts so bad, and whenever I try to like bend down and do stuff, it just hurts so much. So it's gonna take me a little bit longer than usual to clean up the mess in my room. I'm a little tired, I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm going to finish the rest of my Celsius while I do this, put on some good high energy music, and get through it.
Outside my window, is everything pale and cold? Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long.
Okay, so here's the thing. The mess that's on my floor, a lot of it is just a bunch of packages that I've recently purchased, and I'm currently trying to decide what to keep and what to return. It's going to take a little while because some of these things I really need to think through, and it's actually something that I'm going to do in another video. I think I'm going to take a little break now and probably just play some games. It's certainly not perfect, but like I said, it's just something that's gonna take a little while. I definitely feel like I got my life a little bit more put together. I'm feeling nice and clean. My room is pretty clean. It's not perfect, but like I said, some of this stuff is going to take a little while just because I've got some stuff coming up that I'll talk about in a future video. But it's pretty much as good as it can get. There are a few things that I didn't get to today, but my tailbone hurting has really been slowing me down. Either way, I'm feeling so much better. And also my hair is so soft. Whatever I did to it today. All of those steps, oh my gosh, amazing. It hasn't been this soft like ever, so. I'm gonna head to sleep now. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.